Zoho Subscriptions has become the engine that Game Day Arts runs on. Game Day Arts is a sports management company focused on the grassroots development of sports by helping people understand the right way to play sport. We were not inclined to really spend money on software. It was looked at as a nice to have, but it wasn't looked at as an essential piece of what we were doing. We used a lot of Excel, we hired people to do a lot of the work that we needed to do. And we thought, okay, we're a sports company. Our focus needs to be on what's happening out on the field. So we're a subscription-based business in the sense that people pay us for 1 month, 3 month or 6 month programs. And driving renewals is a very, very critical part of our business and our sustainability. And that's when we discovered Zoho Subscriptions. We couldn't actually believe Zoho Subscriptions existed when we found it, because it addressed so many of our issues. But more importantly, it actually addressed things that we hadn't even thought about. It was the first time that we actually came across a product or a partner that not only understood what we needed, but it could also anticipate what we would require. The first was our invoicing became incredibly easy. With GST coming on board, this was a real lifesaver. The second was collecting payments, tracking payments, and reminders. So we had an immediate dashboard to know how many of our payments had been sent out, how many have been paid, and how many were overdue. This is critical information that I could now get as a business owner whenever I wanted it, rather than having go to the team and ask them for updates and reports.
Entire process was really good and easy, and specifically about the payment method, it was really good. It was just we got a link in few minutes and we updated the details and all the payment was done instantly, and we got an online invoice, and I even got a soft copy on my email as well.
The payment gateway system has been integral to our successes in using Zoho Subscriptions. So I'd highly recommend for people, if they're starting a business right now, to try and do as much of their work online as possible, as it saves you a huge amount of administrative work and allows you to focus a lot more on your business. Having one software that allows you to work across all these different locations and cities and having one dashboard for it has proven invaluable to us running our organization efficiently and profitably.